Hi everyone, today I'll be sharing with you a quick and easy to understand summary of the Philippine President from President Ramon Magsaysay to our current President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Let's begin! President Ramon Magsaysay 1953 and 1957. President Magsaysay was known as a champion of the masses. He was loved by the people because he was simple and honest, and to help farmers and workers, and puts against corruption. He also improves peace and order by defeating the Hubbalahap rebels. President Carlos P. Garcia in 1957 and 1961, he introduced the Filipino First policy. This means he wanted Filipino to be the first to the benefit from the country economy, and also promoted nationalism and protective local businesses. President Diosdado Macapagal 1961 and 1965. He changed our Independence Day from July 4 to June 12 to honor our freedom from Spain. He also worked to help poor farmers to giving them a land through the land reform program. President Ferdinand Marcos Sr. 1965 and 1986, he was the longest serving president. He built many roads, bridges, and hospital, but he also declared martial law in 1972, which gave the full control of the government. Many people lose their freedom during this time. President Corazon Aquino 1986 and 1992, she was the first female president of the Philippines. She became the president after the full power revolution. She helped bring back democracy and made new constitution in 1987. President Fidel B. Ramos 1992 and 1988, he helped improve the economy and brought peace to the country, taking the rebel groups, and also worked building more and roads and power plant. President Joseph Estrada in 1998 and 2001, he focused on helping the poor and fighting crime, but his term ended early because of corruption issues, and he was removed through another people power movement. President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo 2001-2010, she is the daughter of the President Diosdado Macapagal. She improved the economy and created jobs, but a term also had issue within corruption and political problem. President Benigno Noynoy Aquino III 2010-2016, he was the son of the President Cory Aquino. He focused on the fighting corruption and improving the economy. She daang matawid or straight path policy aimed to make your government honest and clean. President Rodrigo Duterte 2016-2022, he was known for his strong campaign against illegal drug. He also improved infrastructure through the Bell program, but his drug war was also cited by many groups. President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. 2022 present. He is the son of former President Marcos Sr. He is focusing on improving agriculture, digitalization, and the economy. He also want unity and country and continue big project of the development.